This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
And all the other components on it or features. So it's pretty, it's pretty basic for now. I don't know. It is gonna get a little.
Yes.
It gets hard. It might get harder later on, but for now it's okay.
Yeah. Today onwards we entering for this. For real-time salesforce. Okay.
Okay.
As yesterday I said, now this is our app menu. Means Salesforce standard apps as well as the custom apps. App means application. Right, Augustus? App means one application. It has the pharmacy application or the hospital management application or education management application, anything application. Let's see some of the application. This is a sales application. This is a sales applications. Okay. And this is service application. This is a service application. In sales application, we have leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, forecasts, contracts, orders, cases, solutions, products, reports, dashboards. These all are the standard objects. Okay.
Those on that bar, you said they are standard objects.
Yes. These all are the standard objects. Okay, but you seen this line. This line and this line comes under to this. What was this? This is a tab panel. Or this is what? Tab panel.
Oh, on the tab
means
that's TAB, tab panel.
Yes, tab panel.
Okay, on tab panel you have all the objects. You have all the.
Yes. This is what when see on this is object. This is comes under to these tabs. This is comes under to these tabs. Okay. In accounts is an object, but we can see on this the tab bar now. So have the tabs. In opportunity is the tabs. These are all the tabs.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. You said for example, accounts is an object, but you just called it a tab again.
No. It is a tab. It is a tab between. A tab is useful for this user interface. Application and the user interface we can using only in the tab.
Okay, but it is also an object.
It is a object. But in the application and the user means in the Salesforce, sales is the application, standard application. This is the UI na. This is UI. In that UI, we seen on this object is called as the tabs. Tab. This comes under these tabs only.
Okay. Let me say this.
Okay.
This is what I'm hearing from you. What you're saying is under the user interface, these tabs on the panel. These tabs on the panel.
Yeah.
Are also
what
object.
Is the definition? Yes, tabs main definition is okay. It is a user interface. It is a user interface, right? This is our user interface. Okay. To build the records. Okay. If you click on the account, tab, this you go for this all accounts, just go. Okay, this is all are the records. These all are the records. Okay.
Okay.
By default, Salesforce created these records. By default, Salesforce creates these records. Okay.
Okay.
So these records for the objects and the view records in the application. It is a mediator between the user interface and the object. Tab is the mediator between the user and the object records. Understand?
Okay.
See,
The
let's
object
picture it.
records. The object records is you go to the tabs, you open the tabs to see the records
Yes,
of
yes,
the
yes.
client.
Just see this picture.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this is our Salesforce organization.
Correct.
Okay, these are the two tabs only. Just as for assume that. Okay.
Okay.
This is one is a account object, and this is the contact object. These two are the standard objects. Okay. See, this is the sum of the records is there. Sum of the records is there. Once our user click on the accounts tab, okay, once our user click on the accounts tab, then the accounts tab will be moved to that particular record. One second, Augustus, 1 second. If you click on the account tab, let's assume, okay, this is the Shiva record. This is your record. Just example, Augustus, and this is some Kumar. These all are the records in the Salesforce, right?
Okay.
Let's assume on it. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's assume on it. These records will be connected to this one. Okay, this is a front end UI. This is the front end UI. This is the back. Front end UI means, see this one. This is the front end, right? Sorry.
Oh, front end UA. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. When you open
Front
up the
end
app,
UI.
when you open up the application, this is a front end UA. That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead.
This is the front end UI. Okay. If you click on the account tab, means in that account tab corresponding these objects, means these three objects. Okay, and these three objects corresponding to this contact object. Let's assume on it.
Okay.
Once the user will click on the tab, this tab. Okay, let's one user just click on this tab. The corresponding tabs will be displayed on it. The corresponding tabs will be displayed on it. Like who's the records? One is the Shiva record. Okay, and another one is the Augustus record. Augustus record, and another one is the Anil record. Clear? And if the user click on the click on the contact record, at the moment we display on the Kumar records and the Sai records. So means in the tab will be mediator between the account object to this corresponding application. Tab is the mediator between the object records and the corresponding application. Understand?
Yes. Yes, I do.
If you clear or not, please explain. Please tell us. I can explain in some another way.
Yeah, I think I understand.
Okay.
From what you just said, you said on the top right, you open up your application. Either
Yes.
it could be sales, it could be service or marketing, and then you go to on that UI, you can click on contacts tab, or you can click on accounts tab. If you click on accounts tab, it's going to bring you the records, the object records under that tab.
Yes.
And those records, you call them object records, correct?
Yes. I will explain clearly. Okay. This is
sounds good. No, move on. Go on.
1 second. One line I will explain you. This is the sales application. This is the sales application user interface.
Okay.
This is the sales application user interface. In the accounts, contacts, opportunities, these all are the tabs. Sorry, these all are the objects.
Okay.
These all are the objects. But in the object will be in the UI represented as the tabs only. Tab. Okay? Tabs. Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So let's we create for this one application. Okay. Let's create one mini application. Okay. As per understanding purpose, what is the Salesforce concepts? What is the Salesforce concepts? Okay.
Okay.
So before going to this application, just we go for this setup menu. In that quick find search bar, okay, in that quick find search bar, click on the apps. You create the apps, right?
Do that again. Please do that again.
Yeah, sure. Setup menu.
You go to setup.
And what is the app? First of all, we understood what is app. An app is a set of the components. Means objects, tabs, fields, reports and dashboards, etc. things. These are the called application. Means this is an application. They have set of the tabs, right? Set of the objects. Account object have, contact objects have, opportunity objects have, right? In that opportunity object have corresponding fields. These all are the fields. Okay, these all are the fields.
Okay.
And in fields corresponding some data. This object corresponding some data. These all are the data. These all are the data.
Okay.
Okay. And reports and dashboards.
Reports and dashboards. Okay.
Reports and dashboards. These reports and dashboards, after we complete in this our application, then we go for on it. Okay. Right now we don't need what is the reports and what is the dashboards.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
And one more thing. Application is the set of the components like object, tabs, fields, reports and dashboards, etc. And in Salesforce have two types of applications. In Salesforce have two types of applications. Okay, one is a standard application, another one is a custom application.
Yeah.
Clear, Augustus?
Yes.
One is a standard application, another one is a custom application. Okay. In the standard application means by default Salesforce created some applications. Means in the sales, service, marketing, community, site.com, app action, developer community, trial builder. These are the comes under to this standard applications. Salesforce predefined some applications will be designed. This call has a standard application. Clear, Augustus?
Yeah, pre-designed by Salesforce.
Yes. Salesforce predefined some applications will be designed. Some applications will be designed. Is known as standard applications. Clear or not?
Yes, that's clear. That's clear so far.
Okay. In that standard application, we can't delete it.
Okay.
Okay. But we can modify on it. We can edit on it. Means in that account object, we create on the Augustus name. In the accounts, we can create on the Augustus name. How? Just see. Okay. What as you understand this? What are the these are called as what? What is this? What is this? These all
Those
are
are the
the
tabs. Those are the tabs.
yes. So just type on the tabs in the rename tabs label. Just to see, they have renamed the tabs and labels. See, these are the standard tabs.
Okay.
Standard tabs. In that account object, we can modify to this Augustus. Means UGUSTS. Just click on the save. See, change it up.
Okay.
Change it, right? Change it,
Yes.
right?
Okay. So now,
If you want to, yeah. Tell me.
you just created a new tab.
No, it's
Oh,
you can
it
create it
took
on
the
new
place of
tabs.
accounts. No, it took the place of accounts.
Yes.
You renamed accounts, Augustus.
Yes. Simple
Okay.
funda, simple thing I can explain you. In the standard objects, okay, in the standard objects, we can't delete it. First thing, the standard objects we can't delete on it. In that thing, we here you show anything we shown about the delete option. No, right?
No delete. No.
But we can change our name, change the object name as per our business requirements. As per our business requirements. Okay. I want to reset that. Okay. Just edit and reset on it.
Oh, okay. You go to edit and reset. Okay.
Yes. If you want to add some more the fields, I want new fields.
Okay.
I want some
so
more
you
new
always
fields.
go in and you can change, modify,
Yes.
and update.
Yes, and update. But we can't delete.
But you cannot delete. Sounds good. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. And see, these are the fields. These are the fields, right?
Okay.
Fields is nothing but regular database columns. You heard about the what is the database? You know about the what is the SQL? You know the SQL?
Yeah,
Structured
I've heard
query
about it.
language?
Yes.
Yes, in structured query languages, if you store the data, how to store the data?
How do
By
you store
using
the data?
tables. Yes, by using the tables. Like let's
Columns
see.
and rows, just like in Excel.
Yes. Just see. In that Excel, okay, for example, this is a employee table. This is the employee table, means employee database. In employee database have employee name, right, as well as employee ID, right, and phone number and email address and her address.
Okay, so those are the fields.
Yes, these are the comes under to these fields. These are the comes under to these fields. In the employee name has some Augustus, okay, and employee ID 123, for example, and the phone number is 85926, this thing, and aug@yes.com, okay, and address is USA, and Shiva, and 258, and some of the numbers, and @b.com, okay, and my address is India, okay, and some Anil, okay, is also India, okay. See, these all are the comes under to this, which one? Employee database data.
Okay.
These all are the data, okay. This is what?
You said that's the data.
Yes,
that's
data.
The raw data. That's the raw data, yeah.
Raw data, right. See, in our salesforce, we go for this in employee database have as the objects, okay. In the employee fields, right, these all are the columns, right, columns.
Yeah.
These are the columns. These columns under to the fields. Okay. In the data in Salesforce comes under to the records.
Okay.
Records.
Okay.
Okay.
So
as that
the object is the title.
Sorry.
Is the object title like employee? That's the title.
Yes. Employee table. In structure query language, we can store any data in tables, right?
Okay.
Rows and columns. In the table contains rows and columns. In the columns contains the fields. In employee or student details or employee details or the company details. These all are the comes under to these columns. And the data comes under to these rows. Clear? In that UI, we this one. In that UI, we shown on the tabs. In Salesforce, object contains the regular database tables. Okay. Object can have the regular database table. And what is the fields? It is the column. It is nothing but a regular database columns. Means data, employee name or employee ID, as well as student name, student ID, hospital name, hospital address, hospital location. These all are the comes under to these fields. At the moment, in the hospital data, in a hospital object contains some of the records is there now, some of the data. This data is called as the records. Okay, let's see on the in This is the object, means regular database table. These are the fields. These all are the fields. Okay. In fields content data. Go see. This is the data. These are all the data. Understood, Augustus?
Yes, sir.
Have any doubts regarding from this?
How many what?
Have understood this concept or not?
Yes, I'm following you. I'm following you. I got
Yeah,
you.
that sounds good. Okay. And just you can identify on it. Okay. These all are the standard only, because of our some disturbance is there, Augustus?
Somewhat?
Nothing. Okay, just
Oh,
listen. Okay.
okay.
These
Sure, go ahead.
these all are the standard objects. Okay. And these all are the standard fields. These all are the standard fields. Because of you and me not created any object, any application, and any fields, right? Yes, Augustus. Yes, Augustus. And I'm
We
not
have
creating any.
records in the fields yet.
Yes, right. Right now we
Okay.
don't create any records, objects, or applications. We don't create. We created any application? No.
No, not yet. No, not yet. We've not created any yet.
No,
No,
we don't. We did not. Yes, we did. We did not create any fields. These are all the fields,
correct.
right? We
Correct.
did not create any fields. We did not
No
create
field.
any object. So these all are the created by the Salesforce team. Okay, these all are the
Okay.
comes under to this standard fields, standard objects, and standard records. Standard records. Okay,
Okay. These are all
clear.
standard. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's one more topic. I want to change some of the here. I want the reports and dashboards in my UI bar, in my tab bar.
You want the reports in your
Yes,
tab bar.
yes. I want change for this. Okay, just click on the plus symbol. Not this one, the tabs. These all are the standard tabs, standard objects. Sorry, these all are the standard objects.
Okay.
Okay, these all are the comes under to the standard objects.
Okay. What you're saying is these are the same as the ones we have from home to dashboard. It's the same, but just there's not enough room to put it all on top. So there's
Yes,
more. Okay. I
yes,
understand
yes.
that because when you have the plus sign, I know. I understand that. Okay.
If
You get some.
you want to choose, if you want to see our own standard objects or the custom objects, okay, just click on the plus symbol.
Mhm.
Just click on the plus symbol. We seen the our standard objects as well as custom objects in an entire organization. In our entire organization,
Okay. I see all tabs. So standard and custom.
not tabs, objects. But in objects, we seen on the tab format. We seen on the tabs only. Okay. It is a
Okay.
user interface. It is a user interface. Okay. And one more thing, just clear one line. Okay. Just listen. In our organization, right? This is our organization. In that organization, if we created 10 applications, the developer or max, we create 10 applications only. Okay, just noted on it. In the developer org, we created only 10 applications, 10 custom applications, then custom applications only we create on it. Okay.
Yeah.
And if you want to see the let's see. If you create one application and second application and third application, and you created on 4 applications. Okay. See, first one is a hospital application. Okay.
Yeah.
And second one is the banking application. Okay. And third one is hospital education application. Okay, educational app. And fourth one is the commerce application, e-commerce application. E-commerce application. Clear, August?
Yes.
And in that moment, you created some of the tabs of the objects. I'm sorry.
Bless you, sir.
Okay. These all are the objects. Okay. And this banking application contains these are the objects. These are the objects. Okay. The objects we see on in the tab format. This one, and this one. Okay. Just rename as this one is the A. This one is the B. And this one is the C. Let's assume on it. Okay. As per understanding, I will explain on it. This one is a E, and this one is a F, and this one is a G, H, I, J, K. Okay. These all are the in one Salesforce org. This is our org. You created 4 applications. Okay. In the first application, in the hospital application, you want to see the F object. You want to see the F object. How to see that? Is there any possible to chances to see on the F object in hospital management?
No.
It's possible. It's possible.
Is it possible?
Yes, it's possible.
You don't have to go to a banking app to do that.
No. In hospital management also. In a hospital management also, you can see on your this object contents.
Okay.
See how to see that. See this is a sales application. Just watch on it. Okay. Just watch on it. In that they have any what services leads always there. Okay, let's create one object. Okay, let's create one object. One dummy object I create on it. Okay, let's see. Only an object. I will explain how to create on it. Okay, this is a practice purpose.
Okay, so just watch it now. We'll go through
yes,
it again.
Yes. Yeah, just. See, example is a object, right? I created on it.
Okay.
Example is the I created on it.
Okay. So
When go
it
for the
came,
service.
okay. So it came on the
Create.
tab.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
In the service application, we have seen any example. We seen
No.
any example tab? No, right?
No.
Go for marketing. In marketing, we have to see any example object tab.
No. There's no object tab for mine.
Let's go for the community. They have any object?
No.
No, right?
No.
Okay, let's see. In sales application,
We have
example
example
tab.
tab. Yes.
Okay, let's see on the service example. Okay, just plus symbol. Here you see example. Open na? Open, right?
Yes.
You see not or not?
Now you have, yes. Now we see new example.
Yeah.
When you clicked on all
So
tabs.
yes, this plus symbol contains means all tabs. In the all tabs we have all the standard objects and custom objects in our entire org. In our entire org only.
Okay, in the entire org. Okay.
Okay, Augustus. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Okay.
Okay. See, when go for the sales, okay, they have very clumsy objects is there. I don't want this type of I want only on the campaigns leads. Are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay. See, these are the very huge tabs. I want to only for this campaigns, leads, account, contact, opportunity, and order and cases only. Remaining all I don't want. Remaining all I don't want. In our application contains how many tabs is there? Home tab, right? Home tab, charter, and accounts. No. I want home tab, accounts tab, contact tab, and the campaigns.
Leads.
Yeah. Campaigns. Next leads and example object and opportunities with your opportunities and order and cases. Orders and cases. I want these objects only we can display in our application, in our sales application. How we can do it? How we can do it?
We can we can change.
Yes, I want to only. I want. I don't want the charter in that charter tab in our tab menu, in our tab bar. I don't want the forecast, contracts, orders, solutions, products, reports, and dashboards. I don't want. I don't see in the tab bar. Okay. I want only for this home tab, account tab, contact, campaigns, lead, example, opportunities, orders, and case tabs only. How to do it? Is there any possible to change
Yeah. You want to go to quick find and see if you can.
How?
Where it says create new tabs, is that or quick find? Then see if you.
No. I will explain you.
Okay.
Here we find plus symbol. You see the first plus symbol.
The plus symbol.
Just click on it. Yes, just click on it. See, here one button is there. This is the buttons. This is the buttons. Just click on the This is the customize my tabs.
Oh,
Customize
okay.
my tabs. Chatter I don't want, and opposite forecast I don't want. Contracts I don't want. Products I don't want. Reports I don't want. Dashboards I don't want. Just click on the save. See, change in
Okay.
na?
Okay.
If you want to add some more, means assets you add. Okay, and documents we can add. If you want to change the reorder also, it can be possible.
Okay. Okay. So that's where you go in and see. You get a
Document tab
plus.
is a friend. Understood? How we
Yes.
can do it?
Yeah. We could also come back to the tab bar here and then customize it and then.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, and you can also do the add tabs. I think it says add tabs to your default display.
No, no, only this one. This is the definition. What we can do it.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just
but you
click
gotta
the
click
customize
on
my
there.
task button. Just click on the customize my tab button. Okay. At the moment, we can change on it.
Change on everything
Okay?
available on the left side. Yeah.
Yes, yes. This is the available tabs in our entire organization. Means in that you have the 4 applications now. In that 4 applications, what you created on this the in hospital application we created 20 fields. Okay. In banking application we create 30 fields. Okay. That all are the objects will be displayed on this available tabs only. This available tabs, right?
Yeah.
Understood? I will show you. This is a hospital and
Yeah.
this is a banking, school, the e-commerce. Okay. This is a hospital application. This is the banking application. Okay. And this one is a education application. And this one have,
It was e-commerce, I believe.
yes, yes, e-commerce application. Let's assume in that application we create 20 objects. Okay, 20 objects. The banking application you create 30 objects. Okay, education application we create only on 15 objects. In the e-commerce side we create 50 objects. Total how much? 50, 50, 100, 115. Right? 115 objects. This entire object will be there in our organization, right? In our organization. Correct, Augustus?
Yes.
So whatever we create on the 115 objects is there in available tabs. Is there in available tabs. In that available tabs, we have standard objects and the custom objects. See
All in the
example.
available tabs. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So in the selected objects contains, see example is the custom object. Delete on it. Just remove. Is there no available tabs? Right?
Yes.
Is there an available tabs? You want to move it? You can move it on the selected tabs. In the selected tabs means what we display in the application in the tab bar menu. In the tab bar menu. Okay. This available
Okay.
tabs means how many objects are there in our organization, not in application, our organization.
In the organization. Okay.
Yes, in the organization. Okay. In the selected tabs means what are the tabs display in our application. What are the tabs will be displayed in our application. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, this you understand what is the application fields, standard tabs, objects. I hope you understand, right?
Yes.
Okay. Tomorrow we create on this how to create the custom objects, custom tabs, and custom application also. First we create the custom application and you replace on this logo. You replace this logo, okay, and you create one application, one education application, okay, and some of the custom tabs, custom objects, and some custom fields. Custom fields will be later. You didn't attend the Saturday and Sunday classes, right? Sunday.
No. No,
Okay.
there's no class, only on Friday. Monday through Friday.
Monday to Friday. And you taken any Christmas leaves?
Yeah, I think Christmas may be off. Yeah.
Christmas maybe. 1 second. In 25th you taken holiday, right?
Yes.
24th.
24th, yeah. I'll be available. Yeah. I don't know about you, but I will be available on the 24th.
Yeah, I'm available. 25th you taken a holiday and 31st and 1st I hope you taken holidays, right?
Correct.
31st and yeah, 31st I am also taking a holiday because of in the this is night time now, so I'm going outside.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. 31st and 1st is okay. And then 25th is a holiday.
25th and 31st and 1st you taken holidays.
Correct. That sounds good. That sounds good.
Okay.
And you say tomorrow we're gonna be going through the logo, and we're gonna do logo, and we're gonna do.
Yes. We create the
try to set up.
Yeah, I can explain on it. Okay, be cool.
Okay.
Tomorrow I create our own logo. Okay, and create one custom application. Create our standard objects. Create our standard objects.
Standard objects.
Okay.
Okay.
Before going to this, I will show you one thing.
All right.
If you learn the complete one, go for this one. One blog is the trailhead.salesforce.com.
Say that again, please. I didn't understand.
Go to the URL. Trailhead.
Trailhead.
That's
okay.
salesforce.com. Just noted on this one. Okay. You noted?
Okay. Yeah. What do I do with that?
Yes. I will explain. Okay.
Okay.
You see on this home learn credentials community in our companies?
Yes.
This is the home page. In this Trailhead blog, we learn all the Salesforce modules. All the Salesforce modules like admin, development, integration, lightning web components, all the things will be available. Let's check on it. Learn trials. See, your role is admin, business user or developer. and your level is beginner, intermediate, or advanced. If you click on the admin, see here admin beginner is there, admin intermediate is there, and sorry, admin advanced is there. Okay, so right now you are the beginner, right? Before, one thing, you already log into the Salesforce account, right?
Correct.
So first log in this account. Okay, first log in this account. How to log in? Just using on the login with Salesforce. Just a moment. Open on it. Just a moment. Okay. See, this is my profile, Trailhead profile. I completed 25 batches. I earned 16,275 points. Okay. So if you learn this Trailhead, you can easily do survey on it.
Do survey. Say that again. I didn't understand what you just said. If I learn Trailhead, I will do.
Just listen. If you want to learn Salesforce in new things, okay, go for this Trailhead. It is a very good one. Very good one. If you are the admin beginner, just click on admin beginner.
Yeah.
They have the complete notes is there, end-to-end notes is there. I can explain everything. I can explain the everything, data modeling, data management, and reports and dashboards, users. These are all the I can explain on it. But before thing, if you practice on this after I completing this class, okay?
Yeah.
After completing these classes, you can practice on this Trailheads.
Okay. And how do you? Oh, so when you practice on it, that's when you do the batches. Is that what?
Yes. This after completing this course, you can practice on this Trailhead. It is very good one, and they have the some material is there. My means definitions also is there. Good definitions also is there. I am also practiced on this one only in Trailhead only. Not for me. Lot of the people in 99% who worked on the Salesforce, who learned on the Salesforce, they went for this only Trailheads only. Okay, and in the Salesforce, in this Trailhead, we using on the certifications also. You using on the certification. Let's check on it. Certification. Just click on the certification. These all are the certifications. Choose your profile. As you choose it on the Salesforce administrator, right?
Yeah.
I'm the Salesforce developer. I'm the administrator and developer. In India, we working on this both things as a Salesforce administrator and developer. But in US, what you're choosing on the company is the administrator. We doing on only administrator works, right?
Correct.
But in India is different. Okay. See, in administrator we have two certifications is there. One is the administrator certification. Another one is the advanced administrator certification. One is the administrator certification and one other is the advanced administrator certification. Clear?
Clear.
If you click on the administrator certification, this thing, this is the study material. Prepare your Salesforce administrator credentials. You click on this, you just click on it. It's loading, just wait. Okay. See, this is the exam overview. These all are the exam administrator lessons and topics. These all are the topics.
Okay.
Okay, and I will show my certifications also. I will show you my certification credentials, verify certifications. I will search on it. Just no. Okay. See, I completed these certifications: admin certification and platform developer one certification.
Oh, okay.
Okay, clear?
Okay. Oh, okay. And when
Okay,
you,
Augustus.
what you're
Yes, yes.
saying is, that if I want to go on after this class, if I want to get into this, go and study from here too, I need to go and sign up. There's a login.
Yeah.
I have to register and sign up for it.
No, don't need to register. You already created Salesforce Org.
Yes.
It's enough, no? It is enough. Just click on the
Oh,
login button here. We choose for
yeah.
the Salesforce. At the
Uh-huh.
moment, you enter your user ID and password.
Oh, the same user ID and password for Salesforce would use here. Okay.
Yes, yes. What you are using on this is a developer org. At the
Uh-huh.
credentials is enough for this trailhead.
Okay.
And be one thing, that credentials is very important if you using on the trailheads. Okay. If you using on the trailheads, okay, at the moment is very important to it. So don't forget that the user ID and password.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
And
So
you
this is
practice on this. And
so
one more
this is a
thing. And
good
you
tool. This is a good tool after the classes.
no, after the classes, in middle of the
Oh,
classes also, you can practice on it. You can
okay.
practice. You can note it some of the good points.
Uh-huh.
Okay. It is very
Okay.
best choice. Okay. It is very best choice to learn the Salesforce.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right, sir. No problem.
Okay, Augustus. See
All
you
right, man.
tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye bye.